And we're back with another week of STEM. I'm Lauren.
I'm Braden.
And this is...
Fluffy.
This is Fluffy.
Fluffy the gorilla.
So, I don't know if you guys have watched our other videos. You've probably heard by now how you can earn a gorilla, but Fluffy insisted that we tell you again.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, so if you've seen the gorillas in the children's section, they're everywhere.
They need homes.
They need homes.
They need homes. They're
going to tear apart the library by the end of the summer if you guys don't come and get them. So here's how you can get them. So you'll want to pick up one of our STEM activities from the front desk. This week we're doing our UV sensitive animal building challenge. So it's pretty cool. We filled like 2 giant garbage bags with this craft, so we also need more space at the front desk. You should come pick these up. So this week it's that. But you can check under the TV. We've got our whole STEM calendar there that will tell you if kits are available, or if they're coming out later, or if they are gone. And then there will be a little QR code to our YouTube channel probably. Anyway, so all you have to do is take one of those kits and then watch the video, learn how to do the activity, and then have your parent take a photo of you and then fill out a form. And once you guys do that, you can come to the children's desk and the librarian there will help you out, and we'll take a gorilla down for your very own, just like Fluffy found his home with Braden.
Fluffy loves me.
Alright, so today we're giving Braden and you a challenge.
And Fluffy.
And Fluffy. That's Fluffy's got to do it too.
Sit right there.
Alright, so... Alright, you ready?
Oh yes.
Okay, so this is Leonard the lion. I made him. He has a bunch of beads on him. They're kind of hard to see because right now, keyword right now, they are clear. And so Leonard the lion is sensitive to sunlight. So when you put him out in sunlight, his beads change color. And so we're going to construct, or you are going to construct, a shelter for him so that we can take him outside and he doesn't get sunburned. So every single one of these kits is filled with a bunch of different building materials, as well as your pipe cleaners and your beads. So that
you get to make your own.
You can make a lion.
Creature.
You can make whatever creature you want. I just kind of like twisted them together. And you can add your own materials from home. This could just be a starter point for you. So,
pre-built houses are not allowed.
Pre-built houses are not allowed. Don't do that. No doll houses. That's just cheating. Besides, Leonard doesn't want to live in a doll house.
Wants to live in a...
In this.
In this.
Alright, Braden. Get to it.
Alright, let's get to it. have assembled a lean-to out of a styrofoam block. It's got an egg carton and cardstock.
And cardstock and tape.
And tape. And hot glue. We ran out of hot glue halfway through.
You ran out of
It could have been a disaster,
Wow.
but we had tape.
I'm glad you got the tape. Oh, were you like sealing the holes or something?
No, just with the cardstock, but putting the cardstock on, we ran out of tape.
Gotcha. All right, so well, let's put it to the test.
To the test. All right, so we're gonna open up our Leonard containment unit, and Leonard the lion is ready to be put in his new home. As you can see, the beads are very clear and prepared.
Oh, they're starting to change.
They're starting to change. So we better put them back in the shade.
All right.
So try to keep them in a light-proof box or a plastic container with cardstock over it. Probably not white cardstock though. So we're gonna bring it over to the shelter we have made for Leonard, and we're going to have to briefly get him under the shelter and put this flap down, and then we're gonna step away and see what happens.
All right, so we'll wait, we'll do a 10-second countdown, and then we'll slide him into the shade and see if he's still turning purple.
Yep.
All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Slide him over. Slide him into the shade. Oh. How's
All
he
right.
doing?
So it looks like he's a bit in knots, but even in the shade, he's turning more purple than he was. He was pretty.
But
the beads, most of the beads are clear.
Okay.
As you can see, so we'll bring it over here and try to keep it close. So these beads are clear. His legs are a little bit. He's a little bit in shock from the transfer from his shelter, from the trip. But yeah, we did a pretty good job.
Hey, nice. Yeah, the shade's turning him more purple than your lean-to did.
Yep.
All right. Well, we hope your own challenge goes just as well. See what works best. See what construction techniques you guys use, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.
Bye.